Welcome back. I hope you are feeling great. As a part of this video, we'll understand what is star schema in data warehouse. So what is star schema? You can see all stars. Are you thinking about a twinkle, twinkle little star? Yeah, I can think about it, but we are talking about a star schema in data warehouse. Star schema is one of the fundamental schema where we have a single fact table surrounded by dimension tables. That is the star schema. So why do we call this as a star schema? If you look at the ER diagram, that is entity relationship diagram of this schema, it almost looks like a star, almost simulates a star with the fact table in the center and dimension tables around the fact table. In star schema, there is a 1 to n relationship between the fact and dimension tables. So each of the dimension table has a direct relationship with the fact table. With this, every dimensional table, its attributes will have a chance to participate in a query. In star schema, dimensional tables are denormalized. How come denormalization maximizes the performance? Because most of the data be in the same place. If you remember, if you normalize, you have multiple tables, table 1, table 2. When you denormalize, maybe the data of these 4 tables will be in the same table. That will help the query to get the data in less time. Because the data is denormalized, it is awesome for ad hoc queries. On the other hand, it may not work out for the transactional processing. The star schema is one of the simplest and most effective schema in a data warehouse. Let's take an example. If you look at this wonderful example where we have sales fact table in the center and dimension tables like product dimension, customer dimension, country dimension, and brand dimension are around the fact table, which looks like a star. Here, each of the dimension tables has a direct connection to the fact table. For example, product dimension table has a direct connection to the sales fact table with their product ID becoming a foreign key here. The same is the case in the customer dimension table. Customer ID, which is the primary key here, has become a foreign key in the case of fact tables. So that these attributes from a dimension table can participate in any of the queries submitted by users. Awesome. We understood what is star schema and an example for a star schema. Thank you.